We talked about Uber earnings. Let's talk about the other announcement that Uber just made, and this is the Uber Pro reward system is now changing. There's new rewards. There's changes to it. Ooh. Oh boy, if you're a driver, you got to be loving this right now. I mean, who's going to be platinum besides Sergio?
Now, I have a goal to make to diamond to get $600 in 2023, people. I mean, not 2023 when 2023 starts. In November 2023. I'm like, what kind of bait and switch bullshit is this? I go like, not a fucking chance I'm getting this $600.
So yes, for those who don't know, you can get a cash reward. You know, this is the tease that has been going on since what, I think August or something, that they've been teasing this now. And now they're finally putting it into semi-print, but you got to read the fine print. So they actually say a cash reward if you requalify for diamond status by October 31st, 2023.
Eat me, Uber.
And if you do read it, to receive a cash reward, you must achieve or requalify for diamond status in one Uber Pro program period and maintain such status until the end of the program period by October 31, 2023. Rewards will be given in the program period after diamond status is achieved. One time only as Uber tests this new offering. Amount may vary. So those who say 600, 250, 350, it's going to be all over the place.
A lot of people in the comments says I got 350. Driven Dad, Tony got 350, I think. So okay, here's the deal, man. This showed up on my app. This email is from a driver to me. I don't have any of this shit in here. Okay, on my app, it showed up. It says Uber Platinum, get 600 by going to Diamond. I mean, I can go to Diamond, no problem. However, it is so vague. If I look at that, I go, oh, okay. So if I go to Diamond at the end of, because, you know, as we know, you know, it's each quarter, right? The numbers, you know, like the tiers change or whatever, right? So I have from today all the way to February 1 to go to Diamond to get 600. That's what I'm thinking. If I see that in the app, I don't have this email. This was sent to me by somebody. So that's what my understanding was. I was like, oh, but then I read that shit and I go, wait a minute. Yeah, that's no good. That's garbage.
All right, so these screenshots are taken directly from, yeah, these screenshots are taken directly from Uber's blog that they released earlier this morning. So this, you can go on Uber's blog. You can type it in. This was taken straight from there. So yeah, Diamond drivers get a cash reward for being at the top of their game. You can get the cash reward if you achieve or requalify for and here's the thing, and maintain Diamond status this period or once in the next 3 periods. Do you understand that?
What? Did you get that, Steve?
You have to now
I don't know.
And then get it every single quarter for the next year? Or can I just get it on one time and then requalify, you know, the following quarter, and then I got that.
Are these earning quarters? Are these?
Yeah. Okay, so
is every driver supposed to know when earnings quarters end, and that's the reset date of the next one?
Well, that's but yeah, that's clearly marked in your app. So that's not the issue for me. I honestly, my English is reasonably good. I did not understand this sentence.
No,
so what are you saying? So do I have to be Diamond for consecutive 4 quarters until 10/31/23?
You have to be. It sounds to me like you have to be consecutive for 1, and you can do it for any of the 3 periods to come. Only once, though.
Oh,
that's why they're saying that you can't do it. You can't do it 3 times.
So I don't have to be Diamond for until 2023.
I would say by this. Well, no, you just have to do it for 1 full quarter.
Okay, so I read this as, and I'm like, if this is like, you know how like huge executives of companies, they have deferred compensation, right? So here's the $600 wonderful carrot, right there. He goes, Serge, come on, Serge, get the carrot, Serge. You assholes, $600 for a year of me torturing myself to be a platinum or Diamond? Not a goddamn chance, bro. Now, if this is what I thought, it'd be like,
hold on. There is a subset there. You see that little 1 carat, right? Remember the fine print that I say to read?
The 7-Eleven carat?
No. The cash reward. So it said the cash before it said diamond drivers get a cash reward 1 for being at the top of their game. Here you go. Yeah, okay. There's the 1. Okay. To receive a cash to receive it, you must achieve or requalify for diamond status in 1 Uber Pro program period and maintain such status until the end of the program period. Offer applies to Uber Pro program periods between November 1st, 2022 and October 31st, 2023. Reward will be given in the program period after diamond status is achieved. 1 time only as Uber tests this new offering. Amount may vary. So what? So this
$600 I'm gonna get if I maintain, okay. So I can go to blue or gold, but then for 1 quarter I gotta get to diamond, and then keep diamond to get my 600. Is that what's happening here?
I think honestly, this is just as vague as their upfront earnings, how they calculate it.
Who would understand this, man?
We're the professionals here, and this has got me stumped.
I have no idea what's saying.
So I'm assuming, don't quote me, people. Please do not quote me. This is my assumption. We will clarify this for you, so make sure you come back next week. We will have what it actually means, the entire bylaw that you need to know. So stay tuned for that. This is brand new. Uber, if you're watching, get hold of us. Let us know exactly.
Yeah, I'm sure they will. Yeah, because this is what Dara announced with Harry. He says, "Oh, there's going to be a cash reward." This was it, Dara? Seriously?
Did you really think it was going to be anything more than like a few $100s?
No, I thought like couple grand, bro. Couple grand, bro.
Thought he's gonna make it rain on all the drivers.
$600? What the
heck? No, here's the thing though. Like, it looks like if you actually reach that period, if you reach diamond status, you have to maintain diamond status the following quarter or the following pro period, and then you will be able to claim the cash rewards. I don't think this is where once you get it, you have to maintain it all the way through to next year. I don't think that. It looks like it says you have to achieve or requalify for diamond status in 1 Uber Pro program period and maintain such status until the end of the program period.
Does this look like it was written by a goddamn lawyer? I mean, who does not drive? That's what it looks like to me.
I think it's sad that I could read Uber now.
This is joke, bro.
What does this mean? What does this mean?
This is a joke, man. Screw that.
Okay, I don't know, if you just threw this up in front of anybody's face that doesn't drive for these platforms, they'd be like, "What?
What?" Okay, and we're reasonably literate, and imagine you put this in front of some poor Uber driver and doesn't even have speak English. They go like, "What is this now?" I'm like, okay. So Driven Dad says, he said something. Tony said, "My understanding is you have to get to diamond by the new period and then have it through that period." Bullshit, Tony. I will get to diamond, and if they don't give me $600 right then and there, I'm done. I'm not going to maintain diamond for the next 3 quarters to get $600. They can kiss
hell no.
it.
No, if that was the thing, why wouldn't everybody just wait till the 3rd quarter?
Yeah, like those Doordash top dashers, right? Top dasher, they just put hell week and they get the top dasher shit.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah, there's no way that anybody's going to do this for that if it's not given out till then. They're going to wait till that last quarter.
Yeah. Okay, not happening. Okay, so I'm not doing it. I'm going right back to blue. Screw you, Uber.
Well, here's the thing. So, my whole thing is I will never be diamond. I don't like, to me, the couple $100 that they're going to offer you is not worth, taking crappy orders or taking crappy rides because you have upfront earnings. You know where you're going. You know what you're taking. My acceptance rate will never be at 70%. It will never be. I just looked at the app. It's at an all-time high of 49%. Actually, that's not even at the all-time high. It used to be about 79%. Right now, about a 70%. Right now, it's at 49%, and I don't see it getting any better. But hey, they got to somehow get you to accept the rides that are shit orders. So,
all right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.